Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. It's J Rose, aka Rose Adventures, back with another unboxing of Ascended Hero. And today I'm just going to be showing the things you might want to look for when it comes to maybe a couple boxes you might be skeptical about. Things first, we didn't realize when it came in through shipping, it did have a bit of, as you can see, bumps, tears. We're a little skeptical because we have heard horror stories where people have resealed these boxes. So far so good. It looks pretty good, but how about we just go into it so we can go ahead and check this out. All right guys, so let's get right into this box. The biggest thing about this is when we do unbox these, you just want to make sure there's no extra glue residue or anything. Also, so let me explain the story, of course, when it comes to buying from any types of stores right now, such as Walmart. We've noticed Target has started doing that too. That is because now they are allowing third parties to basically sell their cards over their webpage. So make sure you want to look for no extra glue residue, which perfectly fine. It looks like there was no residue. So it was just a couple bumps, tears, and everything on this. Okay, so the first thing you guys are gonna notice when you do open this Pin Deluxe box is you are gonna have 3 promos, one of Tepig, Totodile, and Chikorita. And of course, you're gonna get this special pin with the 5 booster packs. Of course, as a pin collector, this is actually really cool because I love these Pokemon pins. You kind of follow Disney's suit when, if you're trying to look for real pins now, they have the little diamond piece in the back. So that's how you'll know if the pin is real, which checks out here. For the promo cards, you do have your, like I said, the Sinnoh characters. I really like to show these guys off. They do have the cosmic print on them. So that's the Tepig. As you can kind of see, there is a little cosmic print. So they all check out, which is really cool. If you are fans of Totodile, Chikorita, or Tepig, these are the cards for you guys. Now, for the moment we've been waiting for, let's open up some packs. All right, guys, so it's time for the moment you've been waiting for, Ascended Hero. So let's get started with pack number 1. All right, and if you're new here, welcome. So, of course, as always, you got your code card, one to the front, and let's begin. We got Psychic Energy, Tangela, Totodile, just like that promo. Our favorite Charmander, Team Rocket's Diglett. We got a Pignite, Team Rocket's Proton. We've got Heliodisc. We've got a Energy Steel. So keep in mind, guys, if you're trying to master set this as well, if you notice, there's that little Energy logo there. They have 2 versions of holos. It's going to be your Energy holo, and then there's going to be a Pokeball holo. Besides from the other one, like that Team Rocket's Diglett, they have like maybe 3 or 4 versions where it's a Team Rocket emblem instead of that logo. Let's keep this going. We have a, there you go, that's that Team Rocket's Meowth with that Rocket logo. So now you know what that looks like, just in case if you're trying to finish those sets. And a holo Victreebel. Not bad. Erica's Victreebel is pretty cool. Let's continue on to get these sets going. Hoping for a Lightning Energy. Wearing a Pikachu shirt, obviously that should give that to me. Boom, Fire Energy, okay. We've got Snom, Scraggy, Erica's Tangela, Larry Starly, Bayleaf, Team Rocket's, I forgot his name. We got Frostmoth, and then here we go with that Water Energy Snom. We've got the Pokeball Roly-Coly and a Larry's Staraptor holo. Pretty good so far. I like that. Sometimes heavy packs can mean that you're getting a pretty good pool right now. All right, here we go. Let's go Fire Energy. Fighting. All right. We got a Badoo, Dratini, Team Rocket's Meowth. We've got the Ghost Shuppet, Grizzle, Team Rocket's Dugtrio, Raichu. All right, we've got a Fire Energy Numel, a Pokeball Meryl, and a holo of Ethan's Magcargo. 3 packs down, 2 more to go. Hopefully we really pull something out of this. At least one good thing for you guys. So far it's just been really common hits, but let's go grass. Hey, there's the grass. All right, we got Sneasel. We got Hops Phantom. We got Grubbin. We've got Charjabug. We've got a Mawile. We've got Electrike. Team Rocket's headquarters. We've got an electric Ionos Kilowattrel. We got a Love Ball Krilla and a hollow Team Rocket Spidops. Dang, nothing so far, nothing so far. Hope you guys are enjoying these pulls because I love doing these for you guys. All right, last pack magic. Let's go with Energy Psychic. Steel. All right, it's a hollow. That's a good sign. Please be something good. It's not a God pack, but let's see what we get. So we got a Snorunt, a Badoo, Dratini, Team Rocket's Meowth, Team Rocket's Great Ball, Mightyena. We got a Slurpuff. Hey, there we go. We have a special illustration rare Medicham. Awesome. So that's a good pull. I'm going to go ahead and sleeve that. Larry Staraptor, Pokeball, and a Hollow Entei. Okay, so not too bad. We actually ended up pulling a rare card. Let me go ahead and get a sleeve for this because, you know, whenever we get hits, we sleeve it up. That is a cool card. All right, guys, thanks so much for tuning in to this unboxing of the Ascended Heroes Deluxe Pin Collection. And before we end this video, I want to ask you guys to do two things for me. One, head on over to my YouTube channel, Rose Adventures, where I'm going to drop the link in the bio. Drop a suggestion in the comment box, letting me know what I should name this new channel. That being said, JRose24K, signing out. Peace.